Welcome to the first episode. We will be introducing you to A level lessons. Join us, it's going to be amazing. So let's get you covered. All right, let's get started. Um, you might be asking the same question: how do I get started? Because uh, in Zambia, for example, in Zambia, that's when they're, they're introducing A levels in schools. So when you finish grade 12, you will need to sit for 1 year in a STEM school where you'll be doing the A levels in the new curriculum. So now, how do you get started? You are confused. What should I do? So the first thing that you're gonna do is, after you finish grade 12, even before you finish, you can start this. As you are in grade 12, you can begin this. So first, you're gonna be organized. You plan out your revision by making a revision timetable. So you're gonna get started, right? Then the other thing is that you're gonna know the material. You gotta uh, you gotta get through different materials. For example, for mathematics, you're gonna go for additional mathematics, mathematics engineering, and other materials. For example, chemistry has got A level chemistry. There's physics. There's even others. So the other thing that you can do is you give yourself plenty of time. Sometimes we wanna rush through, and remember, you're gonna do this A level just in 1 year, and in the same year you're gonna write your exams. So what they have done is to allow universities to offer you courses directly. So when you go to the university, you just start, because these A levels are done in universities before you do your medicine, before you do your medicine career and the other courses. So they're bringing it down to STEM schools so that it also gives an opportunity to those students who want to um, get into other fields. So you need it, it's a requirement. So then the other thing, you can understand the assessment objectives. So as the A levels will be offered, even some sort of syllabus will be issued. So will be issued so that uh, to get started, to keep you get started. So these assessments will have objectives, will have things that they want you to learn in 1 year and do your exams. Yeah. So the other thing is that you're gonna try different learning methods. Yes. So you have YouTube, you've got Google, you've got even other sites. Even on Facebook, they do offer those courses. So you can subscribe to this channel if you have gotten to this far. Then the other thing is that learning is when you're learning something new, it's very important to try different materials. So online there are many materials, and they have been made available online. You can just download them, and it's very easy. We're gonna start this together. Some materials I'll be sharing with you right here. Some topics we'll be covering together right here. Then the other thing that you're gonna do is you when you get these different materials, for example, mathematics engineering, it's very good, right? Especially if you're doing A levels. Then the other thing is that you're gonna practice past papers. Past papers are valuable. In universities, it's not a new thing. They do A levels. They call them natural sciences. Yeah, School of Sciences. So they do that. They have been doing that. So the materials are plenty there. The past papers are plenty. So we're gonna socialize with others so that they can give you the materials that you need. Yeah. Then the other thing is that don't be too much serious. Life can pass you by. life can really pass you by. You're gonna take fresh air. You're gonna take breaks. You're not running after yourself, right? You're not competing with anybody, right? You're just doing what you're gonna do, right? Because you're gonna do it. You're gonna find your why. So it's very important to take breaks. So take breaks. Yeah, play, watch TV. Do do a lot of talking with others. Or just do another activity. You can do the house chores. You can do other things. Yeah, it's very important to take breaks, and it's healthy. Yeah, than just continuing doing all that stuff. Then the other thing is that remove distractions. Right now, a lot of you young people have got phones and you're always on social media, laughing to jokes, laughing, watching comedy, doing what? You're just scrolling through the reels. You're gonna trash those, um, um, that time that you spend watching those things because it's gonna take away your time as we prepare for this. So thank you. Join us for another episode.